Two alleged gunmen were shot and killed during a robbery attempt at a party in Trial District near Junction in St. Elizabeth on Sunday morning. Police named the deceased as Christophine Gardner and Chevon Hall, otherwise called Munga, both from Clarendon. Head of the St. Elizabeth Police, Acting Superintendent Coleridge Minto, said the men were listed as robbery suspects for previous incidents. They have been featured in several robberies in St. Elizabeth Division. A third person who we believe was involved in this incident has been picked up as a student and is being processed by the Criminal Investigation Branch, Minto said. Minto explained that the event was permitted in Trial Square. During the event, two armed men attempted to rob patrons at this location. They were challenged by a licensed firearm holder. As a result of the shooting, two men were shot and killed. Two firearms were recovered, he said. This community is a very quiet community, and the residents woke up to this kind of news, and so we want to appeal to persons who wish to commit offences in St. Elizabeth Division to desist from doing so and to allow good order to be maintained, he added. A man suspected to be involved in Friday night's triple murder in Lime Tree Grove, St. Catherine, was reportedly shot and killed by police on Dallas Lane in Spanish Town in the parish on Saturday morning. An illegal firearm was reportedly seized during the incident. The Independent Commission of Investigations has since launched a probe. The dead man was identified as 36-year-old Jermaine Anthony Blake, otherwise called Swelly, from King Street in Dallas Lane. Blake worked as a security guard at a primary school in Spanish Town. Reports are that about 12:50 a.m., a police team was on special operations in Dallas Lane. On reaching section of a lane, a group of men were seen. On the approach of the lawmen, the men reportedly ran in different directions and the police went in pursuit. Blake, the police said, ran into a house where he pointed a firearm at the police, who took evasive action and opened gunfire, hitting him. He reportedly fell to the ground, clutching the weapon. The firearm, a Taurus 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 9mm rounds, was retrieved and Blake was assisted to Spanish Town Hospital where he was pronounced dead on arrival.